A. Grammar. Lesson 1. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are used to define when action take place. They are also called helping verbs. We use theme to think ideas and sentences. To be. Present tense. Affirmative form. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. Negative form. I am not. You are not. He, she, it is not. We are not. You are not. They are not. Interrogative form. Am I? You are? He, she, it is? Are we? Are you? Are they? Interrogative form. Am I not? You are not. He, she, it is not. Are we not? Are you not? Are they not? To have. Present tense. Affirmative form. I have. You have. He, she, it has. We have. You have. They have. Negative form. I have not. You have not. He, she, it has not. We have not. You have not. They have not. Interrogative form. Have I? Have you? Has he, she, it? Have we? Have you? Have they? Interrogative form. Have I not? Have you not? Has he, she, it not? Have avenue not? Have you not? Have they not? To do. Present tense. Affirmative form. I do. You do. He, she, it does. We do. You do. They do. Negative form. I do not. You do not. He, she, it does not. We do not. You do not. They do not. Interrogative form. Do I? Do you? Does he, she, it? Do we? Do you? Do they? Interrogative form. Do I not? Do you not? Does he, she, it not? Do you not? Do you not? Do they not?